How to turn on quiet mode on Instagram. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to turn on quiet mode on Instagram but don't know how? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to enable quiet mode on Instagram. Open Instagram on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the bottom. You will be directed to your Instagram profile. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top. A menu will appear. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Under the How You Use Instagram section, you will see the option for notifications. Tap on it, then tap on Quiet Mode. Finally, toggle on the button for the Quiet Mode feature. Once you have turned it on, you can even set the start and end time so that it will be activated the next time automatically. Simply tap on the time, then select your preferred time from the drop-down menu. Once you have set it, the quiet mode will be activated the next time automatically based on your selection. You can even choose the days. Then quiet mode will be activated on the selected day only. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to turn on quiet mode on Instagram. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.